Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. And Bonk is, probably not doing the best thing right now. But the thing is that you kind of like made a bull flag here. You're really meant to try to push above to 3949 or something like that. But there are some few things that I actually noticed with Bonk at the moment, and that is I should actually redo the drawings here, and that is if you notice, Bonk has come up to a certain resistance where it could not break and move to the upside. So for an instance, you may say it's a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverted and shoulder that is trying to, print out at the moment. So if we go back to the patterns and we try to drag head and shoulders, you have your left shoulder here, you have the head, and you're printing in the right shoulder. Now the right shoulder could be something as big as that. So if you start to push back up again, right over here, you start to go back up again, that's pretty much going to be the continuation of building in the right shoulder, right? So if we see that and we start to break above here, then you do have good chances of going up to 4724. Now to destroy the inverse head and shoulder, one of the shoulder has to be completely taken out. One is probably down to 1914. Okay, so 1914, if you do come down to 1914, then you probably destroy the inverse head and shoulders. So if you do something like that, you get rejected here and you come down and then you continue to go down, then all of that big pattern that you've been printing out ever since 16th of March becomes invalid. Okay, it actually doesn't come to play. So I'm just going to leave you with this pattern here. So you can actually even do something where you come down like this and then you go back up again. That's also fine. You can actually come, but I don't think it's going to be a good idea for Bonk to make it down to 1851. If you come down to 1851, then you probably could move even lower to 1357 from there. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.